Hi guys, I'm Ellie, licensed medical esthetician at RevitalyzeMD. At RMD, we're offering an exclusive treatment specifically for women who are pregnant. Before I proceed with the video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel so we can continue to provide education on all things wellness, sexual health, hormones, and medical aesthetics. First off, I'm setting up the treatment room for my patient. I try and find ways to provide maximum comfort, especially for women during pregnancy. I set up the table to relieve lower back pressure and for patient to be able to move side to side comfortably. Now I'm starting to double cleanse my patient and cleansing the skin thoroughly to allow a clean slate for max product penetration. Here I'm using Zio's Gentle Cleanser. I love this cleanser because it gives everyone the squeaky clean feeling after cleansing without causing that uncomfortable dryness afterwards. It contains sodium oat amino acids that are going to support your barrier function that keep the skin from getting dry. And it also has botanical extracts that have antioxidant benefits during our double cleanse. I'm now removing the cleanser first with sponges, and then I'm going to apply a hot towel afterwards to make sure we got everything removed. I'm now using some alcohol prep wipes to prep the skin for dermaplaning. I do this once before we do the massage portion, and then I do it also after the massage portion of the facial. I'm now using Zio's Aloe Hydra Massage Gel that also doubles as a hydrating mask. Facial massage is beneficial because it's not only relaxing, but it relieves sinus pressure, helps with TMJ discomfort, and most importantly, it serves to drain buildup of lymphatic fluid within the face. I'm now starting the dermaplaning portion of the facial, and not only is dermaplaning an amazing way to exfoliate the skin and get all those dead skin cells removed, it's also super safe for pregnancy because we're not dealing with any acids or ingredient contraindications, because there is so many when you are pregnant. And so this is a super safe way to exfoliate, and not to mention it is one of the best ways that you can exfoliate your skin. When I'm performing dermaplaning on a patient, I usually like to switch the blade out several times just to make sure it's staying sharp and that we're getting the same consistent treatment all the way throughout the treatment on the entire face. If you guys are liking this video so far, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel so we can continue to make videos just like this one. Okay, we are now doing a HydraFacial on the patient. And so with this, there's a lot of different opinions regarding HydraFacial and pregnancy, just like any other medical aesthetic treatments regarding pregnancy. However, I always say this is just, if you talk to your primary care provider about this and they're okay with it and you feel comfortable doing it, that's completely up to you. We always like to make patients aware of what ingredients are in each step, why it could be contraindicated during pregnancy. And yeah, we just like to be super transparent about that and just let them know, this is your decision. It's completely up to you. But here we are doing steps 3 and 4 of the HydraFacial, and those are the only 2 steps we typically do with our pregnancy facials. And so step 3 does have a trace amount of salicylic acid in it. However, we made the patient aware. She was completely comfortable with it. The extraction portion of HydraFacial is really beneficial for women that are pregnant because this is when they've had to typically stop using their retinols and all those active products that kind of help their cells turn over quicker and get that really good, exfoliation, get their pores cleaned out. And so a lot of times they're having more blackheads and comedones than they typically would have. So that's why so many people love the extraction portion. And they're willing to risk having that little bit of salicylic acid versus a product they have to use daily that could be a lot more contraindicated than salicylic acid. I'm now going with the last step of the HydraFacial, and this is the hydration portion. It's just going to nourish the skin, get you nice and hydrated. A lot of women feel super dry during pregnancy. This is something we hear every single day, so our hormones just change our skin so much, and so the hydrating portion is perfect for pregnant women. It's going to give them that nice glow to their skin and just make their skin not feel so tight and dry. I always like to mention too that after dermaplaning, sometimes we feel a little bit more sting than we typically do with treatments, and so it's completely normal to feel a little bit of a sting while these products are going into the skin. Dermaplaning allows for these treatments to penetrate so much deeper into the skin, and so that's why we feel everything a little bit more than we normally do. I'm now just pushing that hydrating product into the skin just to make sure everything's absorbed well. A HydraFacial typically feels pretty watery during or after treatment, so I always like to make sure that someone's not just absolutely dripping when they leave that last step of HydraFacial. I'm now applying a SkinCeuticals Biocellulose mask. This is a water-based mask. It's incredible for any treatments, like after treatment, just because it's safe to use because it's water-based. Patients aren't going to feel a sting with this, and it just feels really nourishing. And I'm applying this while I do red light LED light therapy. We use a light stem, and I typically leave it on anywhere from 15 to 30 minutes. But yeah, this is super relaxing for the patient. They do have goggles on, so the light isn't just shining in their eyes. Their eyes are protected during this. But yeah, then I just sort of turn the lights down, let the patient relax a little bit. And this is typically when I'll step out of the room, chart, clean up, so the patient can relax and just spend some quiet time. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video today. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We would really appreciate it so we can continue to make these educational videos for you guys and keep showing you all the cool things that we do here at RevitalyzeMD.